AI cybercrime is happening right now and is likely going to be happening more in the near future. Free tools like Chat GPT have already made it easier for scammers to craft a more convincing message. Combined with other tools can make it easy to impersonate your likeness to scam coworkers and loved ones. These are events happening right now, today. Folks have already taken to social media to share their experiences of being scanned by machine generation. One creator shared how their family believed they were talking to them.
Tonight my parents got scammed for $21,000, and here's how. The scammers used AI to create a voice that sounded like me. They used social media to come up with enough information about me to convince them they were speaking to me.
While this method of scam is nothing new, dating all the way back to tape recording days where you would record someone's voice and in a conversation and splice words together, then evolved into digital audio workstations to make this process even faster. Now, taking a sample of a voice can generate any words from that person. Recently, Microsoft published a report on a new AI tool that just needs to hear 3 seconds of your voice to mimic you. AI tools like this have been normally locked behind paywalls, such as Descript, as they claim to be an all-in-one video and audio editing tool that podcasters have used quite extensively, can add content after a live recording to fill in blank space. This service offers a limited free trial and then starting at $12 monthly subscription for the real thing. Articleforge can write an entire article for you. Rytr can guide your writing as you go. Quillbot can remove plagiarism from copy and paste paragraphs. While these tools are not all free, prices are dropping as competitors enter the market, or OpenAI just makes another completely free version of those tools. It has been almost 2 months since Chat GPT made itself freely available to the world, and likely will become a date well known in history. The things we've seen since then are incredible. Being a free tool means everyone, not only good people, can leverage its potential. It was only a matter of time, but security analysts have already seen AI-generated cybercrime. Secure Labs researchers published a report experimenting with ChatGPT just what kind of scams they could generate, and the results are surprising. Looking for spelling and grammar mistakes in scams has always been a long-term scam detection strategy. With AI generation, this can become much easier to circumvent, for any scammer with English as an additional language can make a message sound more natural and grammatically correct. Security analysts at Checkpoint have seen examples and discussions within dark web forums of using ChatGPT to write virus codes, another likely building cryptoware, while others were being used to generate and build programs to host illegal trading marketplaces. I've recently been saying, having rewatched various Star Trek series, that if we are going to be striving for a future like in Star Trek and creating that amazing holodeck to generate amazing virtual worlds from simple user prompts, programs like ChatGPT, DALL-E, Midjourney are necessary precursors to that future, right? Is ChatGPT going to be the great-great-great-great-great-great-grandparent of the holodeck? Possibly. ChatGPT is not inherently bad. It is a tool and is only as good as those who use it. Is education needing to have to adapt to address this? You bet. As it's done with the printing press, the calculator, and again with Google. Humans have limitations, hence the use of technology to augment ourselves, to achieve our potential beyond our means, to discover, travel, maximize efficiency, increase profit, reduce labor. While often seen as positive advancements, the snake oil salesperson and scammer have evolved beyond their limitations as well. Some folks have suggested if you're on a voice call with a known person and there is a sensitive discussion about to happen or transfer of money, perhaps to develop a password between each other to help prove your identity could be useful, such as cantaloupe.
What is the password? Hamburger. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Let's say if you call me and I say password and you respond by saying cantaloupe, I know it's you. While this might seem like a good idea at first, do be careful, because a skilled scammer who has done their research just might call you first, pretending to be that person or parent, and if you use the same password that you use back and forth, if they call you first asking for the password and then they just call your parents afterwards, well, then the password is really no good. But if you like that, there's no harm in using it, but perhaps a more slightly complicated but better idea is making sure those password phrases are different. If I call you and then you call me, the word is going to be different depending on who the caller is. Or just instead do a video call and make sure you move your head back and forth and make sure they move their head back and forth, because at least at this stage of AI live face copying deepfakes are limited, but check back in a year's time to see if that will change. So, be smart, stay safe, and use AI responsibly. That should be a new PSA. Use AI responsibly. Things to think about. From the White Hatter team, like, subscribe, and check out all our other digital literacy and online safety resources on our website, thewhitehatter.ca, and here on YouTube. Stay safe and have a great time online. Bye, everybody.